So now we will try to understand what is break and continue in Java. We have already seen the break before, right? In case of switch. So if you guys would recall, in case of switch, break used to help us to come out of the loop or the switch. So same concept applies here also. Break will actually help you to come out of your for loop. If you are using a break with a loop, it will help you to come out of the loop when a condition is fulfilled. So let's take an example to understand this better. Let me give you one example and we will try to understand this. Let me add a normal print statement here. Okay, so let's understand the problem statement now. You have a for loop. This for loop will help you to print all the numbers from 0 to 9 because the last condition is 9. So once I becomes 10, you will exit. So it will help you to print all the numbers from 0 to 9. But there is a catch. We are saying that, okay, whenever the value of I is equal to 3, right, break out of the loop. So what will happen in this case? Whenever the value of I reaches to 3, when I becomes 3, right, it will break out of the loop and it will come outside the loop over here. So your loop ends at line number 8. So your control will come to line number 9. Let me add a normal print statement here also. Outside loop. So basically, your flow of control will exit. Whenever I is equal to 3, your flow of control will exit and it will come out to line number 9. We will do a dry run to understand break better. Okay. I is initially equal to 0. Is 0 equal to 3? Is this correct? No. So it will print the value I. I will be printed as 0. It will go to the next iteration. I value will become 1. Is 1 equal to 3? No. So 1 will be printed. Let's go to next iteration. I will become 2. Is 2 equal to 3? Is this correct? Is 2 equal to 3? Is this correct? No. Then it will execute 2. Now 2 will be incremented to 3. Again, we will have a check. Is 3 equal to 3? Is this correct? Yes. Now it is true. So it will encounter a break and it will exit the loop and come outside the loop. So you will get an output of outside loop. So basically 0, 1, 2 will be printed. After that, it will exit the loop and print the normal print statement that is outside loop. Let's run this and validate. Yes. So it has printed the number 0, 1 and 2 and then it has come outside the loop. So in case of switch, right, in case of loop, your break statement jumps out of the loop. Your break statements helps you to jump out of the loop. We have one more version available, that is your continue. Let's try to understand what is continue. We will use that same code and we will try to understand continue. Continue basically means you want to skip only one iteration and rest all needs to be executed. So whenever you are in a loop, I want to skip when I is equal to 3. When I is equal to 3, right, don't execute my loop. Execute it for all other values. So it will be executed for 0, 1, 2. But for 3, it will be skipped and it will continue normally for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's do a dry run to understand that. Okay, I value will be initially equal to 0. Is 0 equal to 3? No, this is false. So 0 will be printed. Let's go to next value. I will be incremented to 1. Is 1 equal to 3? No, that is also false. So 1 will be printed. I will be incremented to 2. We will check. Okay, is 2 equal to 3? No, that is also false. So 2 will be printed. I will be incremented to 3. Is 3 equal to 3? Yes, that is correct. So continue will be executed and it will go back to your loop and increment the value of I. Now I will be incremented to 4. We will check. Okay, is 4 equal to 3? No, that is false. So 4 will be printed. I will be incremented to 5. Is 5 equal to 3? No, that is also false. So 5 will be printed. It will be incremented to 6. Is 6 equal to 3? No, that is also false. So 6 will be printed. Similarly, 7 will be printed. Again, you will increment the value of I to 8. 8 will be printed. And the last value 9 will be printed because it will not execute the loop. Now it will check for 10. So 10 will not fulfill your condition, so it will come outside the loop and outside loop will be printed over here. So only the iteration 3 has to be skipped, rest all will be executed. Let's run this and validate. Yes. So we are able to get the value as 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 as we predicted. Yes. So this completes our discussion around continue and break in case of loop. Thank you all.